All right, welcome to Net Conversation Japan. This is Jeremy coming at you from Japan. Today we're going to go over the month of November. Look at my portfolio, what has been happening so far this month. So, November 2020, almost getting to the end, almost the end of the year. No real dividends to speak of this month, $58, a few little payouts, not too bad. But we had a huge uptick in the overall dividend portfolio worth. I'm going to jump right ahead and show you it. So let's go. As you can see here, we have the November 1st to November 30th, 2020. We have just a meager $58.88. Not too bad, but I want to obviously get that higher. A little bit of payment in my Roth account, and then huge. We have an up of $7,000. It went up in 1 month. That's not too bad. I can live with that. As you can see here, our Roth account is now $43,400, an uptick of $3,600, and our individual account bumped up $20,380, bump up of $2,959, yeah, almost $3,000 I would say. So altogether, not too bad. Our custodial account went down a little bit, so it went down $522, but that's pretty good in all speaking. That's still all right. Everything's because it's going to go up and down. That's just what it does. Our total account value is $70,168.28. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. So let's look at the overall account value, all three accounts through the time. So in January of 2020, I only had the Roth account. I had my $35,000. Goes down 32, 29, then government stimulus, everything starts going back up. I put 20,000 into my account. So I started a new individual account with 15,000, and I started a new custodial account with $5,007. I then invested some of those in some really downbeaten stocks that pay dividends on a normal basis. Most of them are still paying them now. Then it went up to 55,000, 57,000, 58,000, 61,000, 66,000, and then we started going down for a little bit, 65,000, 63,000, then back up this month in November to 70,000. Not too bad. I can live with that. But what I really want to see is over here in our month of January, $0. It's kind of sad. February, $55. March, $133. April, $47. May, $57. June, $253. Not too bad. July, $116. August, $58. That's okay. Then September, biggest month ever, $284.17. Then we drop back down to $117.17. So we got one more dollar from July to October. Okay, not bad, not bad. Then in, what do we have here? August to November, we have increase of about 60 cents. Not too bad, but it's all going uphill. So our total monthly average is $107.66. I can live with that. Definitely want to get that higher. That means investing more, looking specifically in different companies that pay better dividend or that kind of thing. I may have to consolidate some of my Roth. Either I really need to get more money in there, which we're always working on that, getting more money, which definitely needs to happen, or I got to sell off some of the positions and concentrate it in more different positions. Maybe Apple is always good, but we'll figure it out. We're thinking about it. Let me know what you're thinking in the comments below. What I should do with those particular positions in my Roth. All right, let's look at the overall. So 2017, measly 319, not too bad. 2018, 407, not bad. 2019, 652, okay. So from the beginning of this year, $1,184.29. Much better. But I did put another 20,000 in, and I've invested the majority of my money I had in all these accounts into great dividend paying companies. A few do not pay a dividend right now, but the majority of them definitely do. We just have these here. If you want to look at the individuals, each one, like AT&T, Apple, Coca-Cola, Corvitia, great seed manufacturer and different things, Dow, DuPont Nemours, ExxonMobil, Johnson & Johnson, McDonald's Corporation, Microsoft, Procter & Gamble, Southern Company, 3M, and Public Storage are all my Roth positions. Individual account, we have North American Tanker, Carnival Cruise, Coca-Cola, Dow Chemical Company, Nordstrom, Tapestry, and Toll Brothers. The Nordstrom and Tapestry are the two that do not pay dividends, as well as Carnival, but they'll get there, I hope. Otherwise, in about a year, we'll have to reassess. I've went up pretty well, and it wouldn't be too bad if I had to sell them off and get money for it. And down at the bottom, Kim Realty. All right, custodial account. We have North American Tanker, we have Carnival Corporation, we have Coca-Cola, and we have Toll Brothers, as well as the Kim Realty. Kimco Realty, but not too bad. The custodial account's doing pretty well. Definitely want to get some more money in all these accounts and start building that up. But as I said before, I don't really have any money or income stateside, so what I have is what I have. Their current rental properties are just paying what they have. I'm not really making any good gains off them, but not too bad. All right, let's look at our Roth account to see exactly who and what they paid as far as dividend. So let's look here exactly which companies paid me a dividend this month. So we have AT&T coming in and paying me my dividend, resulting in a 1.2 shares of AT&T stock. Apple, the real problem with Apple, I love the company, great, but their dividend is so small compared to what they could be paying out. So if I wanted to get one share per quarter, I would need 600 shares of Apple. I'm not saying that wouldn't be a bad thing, but in order to get that as current, I'd have to have a lot of shares. Coca-Cola is doing pretty well. Corvitia, Dow, DuPont Nemours, ExxonMobil, all great companies, nothing there. So Johnson & Johnson, McDonald's, Microsoft, Procter & Gamble is where we have. We have almost 0.1 shares. It's again, another one of these ones I need to concentrate up or being able to put more money in. I might have to do both really, but we'll see what we get. All right, Southern Company and 3M and Public Storage, all really good dividend paying companies. I wish I had more money in them, but I don't, and it just takes so long if we don't. So we have here all my other holdings in individual account, no dividends paid, but we got 416 in North American Tanker. Carnival Cruise still 100. Obviously, we're waiting to see if they're going to pay a dividend again for Carnival Corporation, Nordstrom, and Tapestry. If these three decide to pay a dividend, we're going to leave them there, and we're just going to collect that dividend. But if they don't, we're going to think about what we want to do with them. Then we have Coca-Cola, Dow, Nordstrom, Tapestry, Toll Brothers, and Kim Realty. All pretty good. All pay me monthly dividends or quarterly. They're all quarterly players, but I spread them out enough so somebody's always paying me every month. All right. We have custodial account, 104 shares. North American Tanker, CCL, Coca-Cola, Toll Brothers, and Kim Realty. Not too bad. They're doing pretty well. So, in summary, we have our three accounts. We have our Roth dividend account, $28,542. It's now up to $43,405. Not too bad. Monthly dividends this month coming in at $58.88. for our individual accounts. 15,000, no dividends this month, but we're up to $20,380. Not too bad, up 5,000. I can live with it. Our custodial account, $5,007. Now up to $6,382, even though we dipped a little bit, but whatever. Totals in the month of November in 2020, $70,168.28. Not too shabby. I really hope everybody takes this into account and sees exactly the power of dividend investing. Now, there's some things in the market shaping up right now that could affect us, but I'm just going to keep on this method, and if the stocks go up, good. If they go down, even better. For that, please like and subscribe. Check out other videos I've been having on here. I've been showing some recent success on the platform, and I really hope to see each and every one of you kind of interact some more. Maybe put a like on it, maybe leave a comment. Tell me exactly what you like, what you don't like. See how we can grow this and make this better. Thank you very much. I've been Jeremy from Neko Nation Japan, saying sayonara.